What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kavach Khanna, and this video is a part of my Christ Diaries. Today, I'll be giving you guys the campus review for Kengeri campus. Before I start, I just want to let you guys know that I have just been to Kengeri campus once, but other than that, I have had people who have studied at Kengeri campus. So, compiling all that, I've made this campus review. Make sure you watch this video till the very end because I'll be talking each and everything about the campus in detail along with the pros and the cons. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you get regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Firstly, the very important key facts about the Kengeri campus. Kengeri campus was established in 2009. It has currently 30 plus courses across UG, PG and PhD programs. The campus is lush green and it is spread over 70 acres. The location of this campus is Kengeri, which is on the Mysore Road. Next up, just like I've told you guys previously in my other videos about Christ University being an umbrella under which a lot of deaneries come, and then those deaneries work as a separate institution and offer you guys the courses which you guys would select for your next 3 to 4 years. So under Kengeri campus, the important deaneries are Faculty of Engineering, School of Architecture, Institute of Management, Christ Junior College, and Humanities and Social Sciences. So these are the 5 deaneries which come under Christ University Kengeri campus. Now the programs offered are across BTech, MTech, MBA, Architecture and PhD programs. Along with that, this year they have added more programs in the humanities and the social sciences streams such as the psychology honors course as well. So this is the list, you guys can go through it. They have civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and computer engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering and automobile engineering. For postgraduate programs, they have computer science and engineering, communication engineering, information technology, machine design, power systems, structural engineering. For architecture, they have the Bachelor's of Architecture. For doctoral programs, they have the same as that they are offering for undergraduate programs. And for MBA, they have it for finance, human resources, lean operation and systems, marketing, and business analytics. Coming to the faculty profiles, this is a screenshot that I've taken from the official website. As you guys can see, this is the faculty profile for the students of architecture, and you would find it for all the courses as well. Like on this screenshot, you can see view profile. You guys can go and view the profile of each and every faculty at Christ University for your particular course. It would tell you guys about all the awards that they've won, what have they done in terms of research, where have they studied from, and even their email IDs. So you guys are free to email them if you want to know any particular details about the course curriculum. I would highly recommend each and everybody joining Kengeri campus to get in touch with the faculty and try knowing more about the course that you guys will be doing. Currently, Kengeri campus has more than 185 faculty members. Next up, in terms of facilities, like I've said, Christ University is a 70-acre campus and they have a lot in terms of the infrastructure. To begin with, they have a medical center, they have library, they have hostel facilities, they have sports facilities, they have an audio visual aids room, they have an auditorium, they have all the important labs that all the engineering students would need. They have a birds park, they have a bus facility, they have cafeteria, they have indoor sports, as well as they have boardrooms. Now, these are a few pictures that I could get from online, and I thought it would be great if I share it with you all. This is the Christ University's campus. This is the audio visual room. This again is the academic block at Christ University Kengeri campus. Again, the beautiful green campus. This is the central block in the Kengeri campus. All these are very beautiful pictures. I've been to Kengeri campus and I enjoyed the one-day retreat that we had. The campus is actually very, very huge, and it's just full of greenery and gardens and ponds. This again is the academic block. This is the view from the top. This is the basketball court. On the right hand side, as you can see, they have the football field as well. This is the same picture just from another angle. This is the open theater that they have. Sorry for the pixelated picture, but this is the best one that I could find. This is the accommodation facility, which is the hostel at Christ University. I've already made a detailed video on the prices of these hostel facilities, so make sure you guys check that video out as well. That has all the prices for boys and girls, and for 2 sharing, 3 sharing, 4 sharing, so you guys can check that out. Now, very importantly, in terms of the pros and the cons of Kengeri campus, in terms of the cons, the biggest con that I could find of the Kengeri campus is that it is very, very isolated. Like, it would take you approximately 25 to 30 kilometers from the Kengeri campus to the main campus, which is the central campus in Bangalore. Now, it would take you approximately 25 to 30 kilometers. The distance from the Kengeri campus to the central campus is approximately 25 to 28 kilometers, but the time that it would take is anywhere around 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hour 2.5 hours, which means that the area is very, very far. It is on the outskirts of Bangalore, even though there are a lot of engineering colleges which are around Kengeri campus, but still, in terms of being in Bangalore, it's not actually in Bangalore. That means you are very, very secluded as a place, and in terms of nightlife and everything, there's not much happening around. For each and every great thing, like if you have to visit a mall, or if you want to enjoy a party and things like that, you would have to travel towards the city side, which is like the Koramangala or MG Road, Brigade Road, to enjoy that side of Bangalore. So when you are joining Kengeri campus, make sure that you're well aware of its location and what all you would have to give up in terms of being in Kengeri campus, because it's not very easy to go to and fro each and every day. But still, my friends and usually a lot of other people, they came over on the weekends, but that is also only when you guys would have time, because there's a lot of assignments due and everything, so they don't come that often. But yes, if they had to, then they used to come on the weekends to the city center side, and then they would enjoy the weekend there and then go back to Kengeri campus. This is one of the biggest cons that I could find of Kengeri campus. Now, the pros of Kengeri campus is that the living cost is very, very less. Like, I've already put down the hostel prices in the previous video, so you guys can check that out. But because you're not in the city, so you will not be traveling much, so you save out on a lot of money. The hostels do not provide you with the mess facilities, but there are cafeterias in Christ University which are cheap enough for your budget living. So in terms of comparison, if you're staying in any other campus in Bangalore, you would end up spending more than you would if you are in the Kengeri campus. Now, another biggest pro of studying in the Kengeri campus is that it has great infrastructure. Probably, I think it has the best infrastructure amongst all the Christ University campuses, and it is because it is huge. Like 70 acres is huge. Even though when I went to Kengeri campus, I think I haven't like roamed about the whole of Kengeri campus because it's so huge, and we just got tired in between the few buildings and the blocks that we had to walk. But it's huge, and along with that, they have all the facilities that a college would need. Their sports facilities, the campus in itself is very, very green. You have beautiful parks, you have a small pond, you have the birds park, everything. So I feel that in terms of infrastructure, the nature, the beauty around, and the environment in general, Kengeri campus is very, very nice. Along with that, another thing that I forgot to mention is that just because you guys are in the campus throughout, the kind of connection you have with your friends is much better, because you are in the classes together, then in the hostel facilities you are together, in the evenings you are together. So the kind of bond that Kengeri campus and the students studying in Kengeri campus have is very, very nice. So these are the pros and the cons that I found about studying in Kengeri campus. In terms of things around Kengeri campus, like I've told you, it's a very isolated place, so there's not much happening. But yes, in terms of basic necessities, you have medical stores around, you have a few PGs which are around Kengeri campus, and then there are a few restaurants which are there around Kengeri campus. But for other things, in terms of parties or in terms of malls, then you would have to travel to the city to enjoy those kind of luxuries. Now, other very important things that you guys should consider before joining Kengeri campus is the brand name. Now, Christ University's brand name is great, like I've told you in all my videos, but you again have to check the brand name of your particular course. How is the BTech at Kengeri campus, or how is the MBA at Kengeri campus, or how is the architecture at Kengeri campus? This is very important because, like I've told you, all the courses at Christ University are not great. Like, you have to find and you have to know the reputation of each and every course. Along with that, placement is very important, specifically if you're doing an MBA or engineering, because you're spending a lot of money on your degree and you would want to get a better or a very good ROI in terms of the money you've invested and the kind of jobs you would get. So placement data is very important. I've already made a video on the placements at Christ University, but that doesn't include placements for BTech. So make sure you check that out with the seniors, or if somebody who has already done the course. As far as I know, and the talk that I've had with my friends, there are a lot of companies which come to campus, and they usually hire a lot of students. But make sure you gather as much placement data you can before joining the university. Make sure you try getting in touch with people who have already done the particular course that you're going to do, because they would have the best of the ideas in terms of the placement. Now, there are definitely a lot of other colleges for the particular courses that are being offered at Kengeri campus. So make sure you check out all the other options that you have, and then at the end choose which one you would want to go for, because Bangalore as a whole also has a lot of other good engineering colleges. You guys make sure that you guys check them out as well. In the description of this video, I'll be putting down the link to the official brochure of the Kengeri campus, which I got through a friend of mine. So I will be putting down the link of that, so make sure you guys check that out. The brochure is very nice in terms of the information that they have provided for each and every course, the kind of industry connections that they have, the kind of extracurricular activities that they're having, and the course curriculum for each and every course. So make sure you check that out. All these things are very important for you to make the right decision. And please guys, do your research before choosing this campus, or before choosing any campus for that particular matter, because at the end it is your life, and the next 3 to 4 years are going to be very important in terms of everything. So you guys want to be double sure about the brand value, the placement, and all the other options that you have. So this is about it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you guys have any doubts, questions, or queries regarding this campus, and I'll make sure if I can help you, I would happily do that. Along with that, share this video with all your friends who are joining Christ University, and specifically Kengeri campus. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you would do, I would be highly motivated to make more videos for you all. Take care, bye bye.